Merry Christmas! So I think I want to document my day. Christmas in Rome. So I woke up this morning, I woke up really late, like I slept in and I was so happy about it. Then I went to take a shower and I was like, so I didn't plan to go anywhere today. The plan was not to go out today. The plan was to sit in and see a movie. However, what if I just go out to see how they celebrate Christmas here in the heart of Rome? So I was like, I'm gonna go out today. I'm gonna go outside. Not really for any activity per se, but just to go and see how Christmas is outside. So I was like, so I dressed up and everything. It was around past 2 when I finished. So I was like, let me just go outside. I went outside and the road was empty. Like there's nobody outside. The stores are closed, and basically the buses are not even active right now at this hour. I think they won't be active until the evening time. So I moved my outing to the evening. So I'm gonna go out this evening, and while I'm waiting, I'm going to make my popcorn and watch a movie. So I actually plan to watch House of David. I've been looking forward to seeing that movie. But I'm all dressed up. I'm gonna eat popcorn, watch a movie. Then in the evening, I'm gonna go outside. And I'm here making my popcorn. And when it starts popping, I'm gonna close it up. I find it interesting that in Rome, rather, this is the only country I've lived outside of Nigeria. So I got to realize that the popcorns that they have here, they are salty and they are not sweet. So I rather make my own popcorn from scratch because I get to use sugar and not salt to make my popcorn. And not everybody knows about sweet popcorn, interestingly. And that's all that we know in Nigeria. So I'm making popcorn from the scratch. I'm making it with sugar. I'm using oil today because I don't have butter right now. So a little bit of oil, sugar, and my corn. And I'm super excited. So this is the corn I'm using. I already poured some, but yeah. So this corn is already popping. And I don't know, I feel like the pan is quite small for the quantity that I used. Let's see how it goes. And there you have it. My sweet popcorn is ready. Yay! Thankful. Now let's go see a movie.
There was a time Israel had no king. 500 years after Moses split the sea, the people were leaderless.
Okay, guys. Well, it's still a little bright. I feel so chilled right now. It's like 12 degrees. So this is 5:06 p.m. and I'm heading out again to go see what's going on outside. It's still Christmas Day. Okay, so I'm actually at the bus stop right now waiting for the bus. So while we're waiting, I was able to see up to season 3 of the movie House of David. If you've seen the movie, what do you think about the movie? If you get to see it, I think you should actually see it. I've gotten lots of recommendations about the movie. That's why I was like really looking forward to seeing it. And in season 2, when Eliab was fighting, no more. Our fight is serious. And I'm like, people are here fighting with their energy, their strength, with swords. And these days we're fighting with guns and bullets and things like that. Hey, Jesus Christ. I was just thinking, how they used to fight in those days to how they fight today. It's not easy. But we thank God for everything. It was just amazing to see Eliab fight the way he was fighting in that particular episode. But yeah, it's been interesting so far. I almost didn't want to pause because I had to stop at season 3. But I stopped, and when I come back home, I will continue. So, waiting for the bus. I hope the bus comes soon, and I'll see you guys. Okay guys, I came all the way to the Berberini square. It's called Piazza Berberini, and it looks really bright because all the lights are out, as you can see behind me. So there's actually a fountain right here, pretty one there, and then it just lightens outside the buildings there, and it's really pretty. Lights everywhere. So I'm just going to walk. So usually at the restaurant you get to see the menu outside. Most times they put the menu and the cost, the price tags on the menu. So this is one place, and then you have the menu like outside on the street. That's basically how they do it here, and I think it's just fair. It's just easier to know what you're getting yourself into, right? And then fancy stores, cute lightings. Okay, so I think walking the streets of Berberini wasn't a bad idea after all. I think walking the streets of Rome wasn't much of a bad idea after all. I just get to like feed my eyes on really fine things, and I like it. So I do have a destination, but let's keep going. Look at this building. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. So I do have a destination, but let's walk together. And this square is giving what it should. This place looks really nice. I don't think I can ignore this anymore. Like, look at this, guys. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. Oh, this is actually a store. Oh my god. Oh, it has a bow on the back. Wow, this is so beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Hey. Wow. Wow. Nice. Impressive. So impressive. So you see how people come up here and then they look at the menu of the restaurant before they're able to like make a decision if they want to go ahead to eat there. So I like the idea. But this is so pretty. Oh, it's the decorations for me. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm still walking down. There's a souvenir store. They have lots of those here. And then it looks a little crowded. Not as crowded as the last time I came here because I've been here before. And it was so tight that you could barely even have space to take the next step to move. But right now, there is some space. I can move. It's not very tight, which is good. I mean, yeah, but let's keep going. This is, oh my god, did they really dress? Oh my god, they dressed the chairs. Oh, that's really cute. And then you have the menu as well. Oh, this is so beautiful. So what's also interesting on this road is that they do a lot of tricks. So right there you have people gambling. People actually gambling right there. You know, it's interesting, and you have to be very focused so they don't drag your attention. Otherwise, you go and gamble all your money away. But yeah, God is helping us. Jesus is the reason for the season. Amen. So I'm still going, I'm still heading straight.
Να ξέρεις όμως ότι τις χώρες τους, εντάξει, οι Ένωση κάποιοι έχουν προσπαθούν να ξεφύγουν, μεταξύ τους είναι εξαιρετικά.
Oh my god. Look at that decoration. It's so pretty. They have lots of people. And you get to understand why there are lots of people very soon. Lots of people, lots of fancy restaurants. You know, so pretty. Oh, look at that. So guys, remember how I talked about how crowded this place is? Well, there's a reason why it's crowded because every time you're coming to this location, there is always crowd because this is the Trevi Fountain. So this is the Trevi Fountain location. That's why you would always see crowds here. There is always crowd here because this is the fountain. But today is actually really fair. So honestly, it's really fair today. The crowd is not even as much as it should on a regular day because, I don't know, this is not the peak season for holidays. But yeah, that's about it. I was coming to the Trevi Fountain. I think I want to have gelato, even though the weather is like 12 degrees right now. But I really don't mind. I'm just stretching my feet and enjoying the beautiful scenery of Rome on Christmas Day. Yeah. So beautiful. Oh wow. Okay guys, let's go find gelato. Let's go find gelato. So I'm seeing crowd here. I don't know if I want to try gelato Trevi. Maybe I'll try this gelato spot. I haven't had gelato here before. So let's try gelato in Trevi and see how it is. Thank you. Okay, so that was a success. Okay, this looks like a handful, but I'll pull through. Come and join me, guys, as I devour this gelato. Okay, so I'm not sure. I think I'm done. I think I want to go home now. So, cheers, cheers, Merry Christmas. So this is an entire candy shop. It's called Captain Candy, and all they sell inside here is candies, as you can see. Okay, not for me. Let's keep walking.
Vatican. Libro.
So guys, I'm done with my gelato and I'm heading to my next destination. Guess where? Right now I am passing by the Tiber River. I'm passing by the bridge of the Tiber River. Sneak peek, sneak peek. But this is the Tiber River here. This is all water. So I'm crossing the bridge and we're going to nightlife in Rome. By the way, it's just about 7 p.m. right now, so this is 7 p.m. right now. So people, here we are. But there we are. I am at the Vatican. I was thinking of walking by the restaurant site, but let me just walk in the middle today and go see what's going on here. The crowd. Wait, what's going on? That's true.
Puoi venire tu avanti questa?
Merry Christmas! What's a Christmas without... The cold has frozen my mouth. But what's a Christmas without a fountain in Rome? It's beautiful. All right. So this is the closest I've been to the Basilica, St. Peter's Basilica. I wanted to get more information about the holy doors because I haven't gone through, I haven't seen the holy doors, and apparently it's closed right now. This is past 7 p.m, quarter past 7 p.m. So it's already closed. They open around 7 a.m. and they close at 6:30 p.m. And this is the exit. The entrance is the other way. So maybe I'll try some other time because I do desire to see the holy doors. They'll soon break that bell. Yeah, so this is quarter past 7. I don't know what the bell is for, but I am in the Vatican right now. Yeah. Alright people, this is my final stop for the evening. Now it's time to go home. I'm already feeling hot inside this thermal jacket I'm wearing. I feel really hot right now. But thank you all for coming with me. This is Christmas Day in Rome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos. Please like and share with someone to see what it's like on Christmas Day in the city of Rome. Ciao. I'm holding my power bank. That's why. But yeah, bye.